Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganesh Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you go to learn how to solve mathematical problem easily and clearly. So today's topic is trigonometric ratio value. Some students think they do not learn with trigonometric ratio value because it is very confusing. Sin theta value and cos sin 30, cos 30, 730, sec 30. What is the difference? They are confused in these value. So today we learn how to learn these trigonometric ratio clearly and very easy. So starting trigonometric ratio value. Ratio value of some angle. Some angle. If you want to learn what is the value of sin 30, sin 60, sin 90, sin 45 and cos, similarly for cot, then we have a short trick method to learn the value are right for any angle for calculation. So today we learn how to remember these values. So generally we write number 0 to 4, 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to find the trigonometric ratio value, generally you write only first starting 5 whole number. We have already write and divided by largest number. Divided by largest number. Then 0 divided by 4 is 0. 1 divided by 4 as it is. 2 divided by 4. It is not fully divided, but its numerator and denominator both are divided by 2. Then our answer is 2 1 2, 2 2 4. 3 divided by 4, 3 upon 4. It is not divided and it does not have any common factor. And next, 4 divided by 4 is 1. After dividing all of the values, we get this value. Now we write what is the trigonometric ratio value of all 6 parts. First, we have find the trigonometric ratio value of sin theta. Sin theta value, for finding the sin theta value for 0 angle, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree. These are value in general form. Generally anyone ask the question for these values. But after this we have learned how to find other value of this. So sin theta. For sin theta value, we take the square root of all of these things. Square root of 0 is 0. Square of 1 upon 4, square root of 1 upon 4, square root of 1 is 1, of 4 is 2. Next, square root of 1 upon 2, square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 is root 2. Because we cannot find the square root of 2. And next, square root of 3 we cannot find, so we write root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. Similarly, square root of 1 is 1. Hence, we have get value of sin for sin 0 degree, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. Next, cos theta. For cos theta, we write these values in opposite direction. Just like if 1 come in last, then write in starting. If 0 come in starting, then write in last. Similarly, root 3 upon 2 is second last, so write root 3 upon 2 in second number. 1 upon root are always come in middle and 1 upon 2, these values are for cos theta. Next, tan theta. For finding the value of tan, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, we divide first value by second. Here 0 divided by 1, 0 is divided any other number, then we get 0. Here if we divide it, then 2 are cancelled, both of denominator are same, then our answer is 1 upon root 3. Next, both number are same, hence our answer is 1. Here also 2 denominator are same, then it is root 3. Here we divide 1 by 0. If we divide any number by 0, then it is irrational, it is not defined. Now we have find value of cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. For finding this value, we take opposite of previous, means we take previous inverse of 0 is cosec theta. Inverse means if we take inverse, here denominator is nothing, then we suppose that is 1. 0 upon 1, then inverse of it is 1 upon 0. That is not possible, means not defined. Hence value is not defined because we cannot divide it. Some student write here infinitive this sign. It is also right. Next, we take the inverse of 1 upon 2 is 2. Inverse of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. Inverse of root 3 upon 2, 2 upon root 3. Inverse of 1 is also 1. Next, we take the inverse of cos for sec theta. Inverse of 1 is 1. 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2 or not defined. And finally, we take inverse of tan for cot. Inverse of 0 is not defined. And here both numerator are same. Then if we divide, then our answer is root 3. If you are confused, then we take inverse of tan theta, 0, not defined, 1 upon root 3, root 3. Inverse of 1 is 1. Inverse of root 3 is 1 upon root 3. And inverse of not defined, not defined opposite always is 0. Is 0. It is our answer for trigonometric ratio value. By this method, we can find the value of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees for all trigonometric ratio part. Let's start some other trigonometric ratio, how we will find them and how our value is right. So let's start for new values. Here all positive, here are all positive, here sine theta and cosec theta are positive, here tan theta and cot theta are positive, other negative. And next other negative. Here sec theta and cos theta is positive and other is negative. In this method we can find the any trigonometric ratio for any angles. So start. Generally today's we find value in previous table is 0 degree. Next 30 degree, next 45 degree, next 60 degree and next 90 degree. We have find the value for 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Then if we want to find the trigonometric ratio of other value, then we do not do anything. Don't do anything. Just write the value in reverse system. That means last to first. First we write starting to last, then we write last to starting. By this method, we can find value of any trigonometric ratio. Here, you write 0, 30 means add 30, next second time add 15, third time add 15, fourth time add 30. Now, in this part, we write in reverse method, means inverse, means last to starting. Last time we add 30. Now we add here 30 degree, means 120. In second last we add 15 degree, then our value is 135. In previous we add also 15, then it is value is 150 degree. And last time we added 30 degree, so our value is 180 degree. Similarly, here it got one time 30, two time 50, then again one time 30. Then here come 210, 225, 240 and 270. Similarly here 300, 350, 330 and 360 also come 0. Then value are come to starting repeating. Here for we are solving only for sine. After this you can calculate for others value for cos, tan, cosec, cot. So starting sine first value for 0 is 0. For 30 degree we get 1 upon 2, 45 1 upon root 2 and 60 root 3 upon 2 and 90 is 1. So now we take the reverse system value. For 120 we write the value is root 3 upon 2 in reverse. Next value is 1 upon root 2. Next value is 1 upon 2. Next value is 0. And again write in this value in reverse system, means 210 1 upon 2, 225 1 upon root 2, and next 240 is root 3 upon 2, and 270 when. Next we write 300 is root 3 upon 2, 350 1 upon root 2, then this 330 1 upon root 2, and others value are again repeating after adding this type of angle. 1 time 30, then 2 times 15, again 1 time 30, again. Similarly we can find the middle value of these. Now we have already learned value of sine and cosec are positive in here. In this and this part sine are negative, so these value are negative. So minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon root 2, minus root 3 upon 2, minus 1, minus root 3 upon 2, minus 1 upon root 2, minus 1 upon root 2. These value are negative and other upper side value are positive, because sine cosec are negative, positive for second part and first part. Third and fourth part these value are negative, so we can find the value of any trigonometric ratio for any angle, So we learned how to solve mathematical problem in easily find that trigonometric ratio. If we have find trigonometric ratio, then we can prove the trigonometric ratio, prove that questions easily. These values are important for us. Generally we can use only 0 to 90 value, that is already we have learned in previous table method. So thank you for watching this video.